Hi, this is Nayumi Cee speaking. Ngayong araw na to pag-uusapan natin ang part 2 ng ating paano nga ba gumawa ng resignation letter. So, in case na hindi mo pa napapanood yung part 1 ng video na to, kung saan ipiniliwanag ko kung ano yung resignation letter at gumawa ako ng sample para sa irrevocable or immediate resignation letter, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box o kaya naman sa iCard na makikita mo sa upper right side corner ng screen natin. So, again, ang part na to is pangalawang part. So, dito, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng sample para naman sa resignation letter with render. So, umpisahan na natin. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa ano ang resignation letter. So, again, ito ay isang uri ng formal letter na sinasubmit natin sa ating employer kapag bibitaw na tayo sa ating tungkulin bilang empleyado sa isang kumpanya. Okay? So, parang ano to, kabaliktaran to ng pagiging awol or yung absence without official leave. Yung parang bigla ka na lang mawawala sa company na hindi ka man lang nagpapaalam. So, mas maganda mag-submit ka ng resignation letter rather than mag-awol tayo. Okay? So, may dalawang uri ng resignation letter or resignation. Una, voluntary resignation, kung saan ikaw mismo ang nag-decide para sa sarili mo na umalis sa company. Kagustuhan mo yon, personal choice. Pag involuntary resignation naman, ito yung parang yung employer mo mismo o yung management mo mismo yung nag-decide na pag-resignin ka. So, parang sila mismo ang nag-terminate sa'yo. So, that is involuntary. At, siguro hindi naman to kadalasan nangyayari. So, magpo-focus tayo sa voluntary resignation. So, ang voluntary resignation ay merong irrevocable or immediate resignation kung saan nga immediate, ibig sabihin on the spot or on the specific date na in-indicate mo sa letter, yun mismo yung effectivity ng resignation mo. So, yun yung ginawa kong video sa part 1. Then, etong naman, yung gagawin natin today is yung voluntary resignation with render. So, itong may render is maglalaan ka ng at least 15 days or 30 days sa company hanggang sa may mahanap sila or may ma-recruit silang papalit sa'yo. So, parang magta-transition ka. Transition period. Kung saan either maghahanap pa lang yung company ng papalit sa'yo o kaya naman iti-train mo yung taong papalitan mo or papalit sa'yo. Yun. So, dumako na tayo sa parts ng ating resignation letter. So, unang-una of course is yung date, yung petsa kung kailan natin isasubmit yung resignation letter sa ating employer. Pangalawa is name and address of employer. Kailangan alam mo yung buong pangalan niya, katungkulan niya, yung name of the company itself, pati na rin yung address ng company. Greeting, pwede mo ring i-indicate pero not necessarily kasi ang greeting ay parang good day, good morning, greetings, smile, ganon. Pero, 'di ba, hindi naman ganon ka-positive yung isasubmit mong resignation letter. So, mas maganda, direct to the point ka na lang, dumiretso ka na lang sa state of resignation. So, dito ito sa body of the letter, dito mo yung i-state mo yung resignation mo. Pangalawa is yung statement of gratitude or well wishes. So, yung magti-thank you ka sa company, yung mga experiences mo na nagustuhan mo sa company. Below that, pwede mong ilagay yung mag-offer ka ng transition period nga, yung magre-render ka. Pang-apat naman is yung closing natin. Pag sinabi natin closing, sasabihin mo na yung mga looking forward mo, mga good wishes mo para sa kanila. And of course, you say respectfully yours, sincerely yours, and then sa baba nun, signature over printed name, pati na rin yung iyong katungkulan. Okay? So, no worries, ipapakita ko yan sa inyo sa sample natin later. So, ang ating resignation letter ay pwedeng gawin sa dalawang paraan, either written or printed. So, kung nagtitipid ka ayaw magpa-print, kagaya ko dati. Pwede namang written na lang, pero make sure na tama yung spelling natin, medyo maayos yung pagkakasulat. Pero, syempre, okay lang naman kasi hindi naman maganda yung sulat ko din, pero written pa rin yun. So, pag printed naman, feeling ko mas sinasuggest kong i-printed nyo na lang, 'di ba? Para mas professional tingnan, mas neat, mas concise, mas malinis tingnan, ganun. Then, kapag printed naman, gamitan nyo yung font size na either 11 or 12. Huwag yung 10 kasi maliit na siya. Huwag naman yung 13 kasi masyado nang malaki. So, 11 or 12, yun yung saktong-sakto lang sa short band paper. Tapos, gamitin nyo yung either Arial or Calibre na font size or font style. Okay. So, dito na tayo. Dumako na tayo sa complete sample ng ating voluntary resignation with 30-day render. So, this time, 30-day yung aking pinili. So, again, nakalagay natin dyan is 08 December 2020. Ito yung date kung kailan tayo magsasubmit ng ating letter. Tandaan nyo yung date na yan. Then, Miss Angel Luxin, sample lang to ha. Yun yung pangalan ng ating team manager under Echo Technical Department. Name of the company is ABC Company. The address is SM Cyber West Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. And then, dito naman sa pambungan is TL Angel, or you can say, Dear TL Angel, or Attention TL Angel. So, it depends on you. By the way, TL means team leader. So, baka pansinin nyo parang pang-agent or call center agent na type to ng resignation letter. Pero, kahit hindi ka call center agent, kahit ibang trabaho man yan, same format pa din ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, ito yung ating body of the letter. Yung unang part is what? Statement of resignation. Sabi dito, good day. I am writing this letter to formally inform you that I will be resigning from my current position as Technical Service Associate in Echo Department here in ABC Company effective 2nd of January 2021. So as you can see, sinubmit ko yung resignation ng December 8, pero yung effectivity nun is January 2 pa kasi meron tayong 30-day transition period, okay? So, sasabihin mo dito yung gratitude or well wishes. So, this was not an easy decision to make as I truly value the experience, training, and knowledge I gained over the past 7 months of my stay here. It has been a pleasure working with our team back in retail department and here in Echo department as well. All of the team leaders, subject matter experts, and quality analysts I've worked with have always been very helpful, considerate, and understanding. The sole reason why I will quit from this job is because I would like to pursue my degree in civil engineering. So you can, pwede mong ilagay kung ano ba talaga yung pinaka-reason mo. Personal reason man yan, basta hindi ka sasama ng company. Okay lang yon, tatanggapin nila yon. Sorry sa background noise. So, basta wag mo na sasabihin na alis ka sa company kasi pangit ang management, hindi maganda yung mga ka-workmates mo and such. So, pangit yun ha. Kailangan personal growth, advancement, ganyan. Ganun ang reason mo. Or yung personal reason mo talaga why you would like to quit your job. Okay? And then, as you can see, nagpasalamat din ako. Sabi ko, it's not an easy decision to make. Sabi ganun, di ba? And then, dito naman sa render part, sabi ko dito, I will continue to fulfill my duties and responsibilities as Technical Service Associate until the above mentioned date, which is the 2nd of January 2021, to assist in the transition of a new Technical Service Associate. Then yung well wishes mo sa kanila is I will be forever grateful that I had been part of this amazing company, and I wish all the growth and prosperity this company will achieve in the coming years and beyond. Okay, and then lastly, yung respectfully yours. Nilagay ko ba pangalan ko? No? Nayumi Cee Cantoria, Technical Service Associate, Echo Department. At wag na wag mong kalilimutan yung iyong signature para i-validate na sa'yo talaga galing yung letter na yan, okay? So, yun lang naman. Sana may natutunan kayo. Nga pala, meron tayong Facebook page na Nayumi Cee. You can visit that page, like that page. You can send me a direct message there as well if you want. And then, share, like, follow, comment, and turn on the notification bell if you would like to subscribe to my channel. And of course, thank you so much. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now and ingat palagi.